Hello dear students, in this video we will discuss the comprehension passage given in chapter 3, my last refuge, on page number 45, 46 and 47. So let's start the passage. A thief hired a room in a tavern. Tavern means in a public place where one can stay, and stayed a while in the hope of stealing something that would keep him to pay his bills. When he had waited some days in vain, he saw the innkeeper dressed in a new and handsome coat and sitting before his door. The thief sat down beside him and talked with him. As the conversation began to flag, the thief yawned. Yawn as we feel sleepy or we feel tired, we open our mouth and take a deep breath, that is called yawn. Terribly, and at the same time howled like a wolf. As the wolves howl, they make a loud cry sound. Now the innkeeper said, "Why do you howl so fearfully?" "I will tell you," said the thief, "but first let me ask you to hold my clothes, or I shall tear them to pieces. I know not, sir, when I got this habit of yawning, nor whether these attacks of howling were inflicted. Inflicted means forced on me as a judgment for my crimes, or for any other cause. But this I do know, that when I yawn for the third time, I actually turn into a wolf and attack men." With the speech, he commenced a second fit of yawning and again howled like a wolf. Now the thief was telling a false story in attempt to persuade the innkeeper to leave his coat, because he wanted to steal that new and handsome coat from the innkeeper. Now on the next page, as the passage continues, as he said at first, the innkeeper, hearing his tale and believing what he said, became greatly alarmed, and rising from his seat attempted to run away. The thief laid hold of his coat and entreated him to stop, saying, "Pray wait, sir, and hold my clothes, or I shall tear them to pieces in my fury." Fury means anger. "When I turn into a wolf." At the same moment, he yawned the third time and set up a terrible howl. The innkeeper, frightened lest he should be attacked, left his new coat in the thief's hand and ran as fast as he could into the inn for safety. The thief made off with the coat and did not return again to the inn. Now, the moral of the story is, every tale is not to be believed, means we should not believe everything what we hear. So now the question answers starts. A question is, why did the thief hire a room at the inn? The thief hired a room in the inn because he hoped to steal something from which he could pay his bills. Now the second question is, why did the thief sit down with the innkeeper? Answer is, the thief sat down with the innkeeper because he had seen him wearing a new handsome coat. The thief wanted to steal that coat. C question is, what did the thief finally decide to steal? The thief finally decided to steal the innkeeper's coat. D part is, how did the thief fool the innkeeper? Now the thief told the innkeeper that when he yawned for the third time, he used to change into a wolf and attack any man who was in front of him. E question is, would you say the innkeeper was gullible? Gullible means a person who believes something very easily. Now yes, answer is yes, the innkeeper was gullible as he believed the tale that was told to him by the thief. Now the second question is, find the words in the passage that means the same. Rented, the word in the passage was hired. Tavern, tavern means inn. Dues, dues means bills. Attractive, attractive means handsome. Talk, talk means flag. Imposed, imposed means inflicted, as I told you, forced. Punishment, punishment means judgment. Wrongdoing, wrongdoing means crime. And pleaded, pleaded means entreated. Horrible, horrible means terrible. Now fill in the blanks. The thief hired a room at a small inn. Next is, he was looking for an opportunity to steal something precious. So, C part is, the innkeeper did not know about the thief's intentions. D part is, the thief told the innkeeper a story about how he turned into a wolf. Now the next question, choose the correct answers. The thief wanted to steal something valuable so that he could pay his hotel bills. Next is, the thief said that turned into a wolf when he yawned thrice. Thrice means 3 times. The innkeeper had his handsome coat on his, what will be the answer? On a chair. Now the next is, the innkeeper believed the thief was a normal guest. He did not know that he was a thief. Next is, the thief ran away with the innkeeper's coat. So this is all for this comprehension. Thank you so much.